Good afternoon, it's Gary from BitandIron.com coming to you from the Lower Mainland. Today I'm going to show you this 2009 Kenworth T660 highway tractor. It has a Cummins ISX 500 horsepower engine with 1,104,368 kilometers and 16,012 engine hours. It does come equipped with an engine brake and a 13-speed Eaton Fuller transmission. The front axle rating is 12,000 and the rear is 40,000 on air DSP 40s, and the front is spring. The wheelbase is 234 inches. It does come with a double 64-inch sleeper, 11R 22.5 tires all the way around on aluminum rims inside and out. We're going to do a general walk around of the unit and come up close for a tight inspection. I do have some space restrictions today, so I'll do my best to get distance shots as best I can. We also have some light restrictions too. Sun going behind the clouds, it might get a little dark. The unit is a lime green color. Single exhaust, I can see. And it's going to get a little tighter here in the driver's side. So I'll pan the unit a little bit here to give you the distance shots. And let's come up close here for a tight inspection. Come up to the grille. It's in very good condition. Let's go down to the bumper and pan our way up here on the passenger side. I'm going to scroll over on the bumper. We can see here that this signal light here, or this lower light here, is not the original one. It's been retrofitted inside, as you can see. And there's a little bit of body damage here. Let's pan up the unit here on the driver's side. And let's take a look at the hood here. We're going to show you that tire once the hood is up. I'm noticing here a bit of delamination against the venting gasket right here. It's to be re-glued back on. Nice even steps on the passenger side here. Let's take a look at the mirrors. Not seeing any pitting or cracks. Let's go up the body of the sleeper. I'm seeing a little bit of delamination here. Let's go back up to the sleeper unit. Again, it's a 64-inch double. And we have a crack here. Aluminum decking here is in very good condition. Let's just go up the rear of the unit here. I'm going to show you those connections as we get a little closer on the other side. Let's take a look at the rear wheels and take a look at axle number 2. Again, the rims are aluminum inside and out. Lots of tire life in these ones. Let's take a look at axle 3. Looks a little better on this one too. Probably only 20 to 30% used on this one. And we're just going to pan across the frame here. See the air suspension. And all the cross beams are nice and level. Scan down from the fifth wheel here again. I'm just looking for any leaks. I'm not seeing any signs. Suspension again. And we're on the driver's side here. Let's take a look at axle number 3. Looks like these tires on axle 3 on both sides were replaced at the same time. Very good condition. And let's take a look at axle 2. Consistent with the other side. Probably still 50% less, maybe 40%. And do the same thing, we're just going to panel on the frame. Better look at the hookups. Everything looks in order. Steps going back are nice and level. Let's take a look at the exterior of the cab here on the driver's side. Few chips in the fairing. And here on the rear of the sleeper. Steps up to the cab look good. And the mirror has no cracks or hits. Let's take a look inside the cab. First I'll look at the upholstery before I sit down on it. It's in not bad shape. And let's take a look here at the controls. We've got a missing switch here. Looks like one of them was chromed, the other original. Everything looks like it's in pretty good shape here. Nothing's missing. Let's just take a look at the top of the cab, overhead. I'm just going to take a look at the windshields here. There is a crack, or a chip rather, on the driver's side. So it's one pane here, and that's it. There's a small chip on the passenger side. Let's take a look at the sleeper. Again, it is a double. Now let's start it up. And take a look under the hood. I'm going to have to put the camera down. I need to operate this with 2 hands. take a look at the tire here on the driver's side.
And let's take a look at the tire on the passenger side. Consistent with the driver's side. There you have it. Another good piece of iron from BitandIron.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.